Chapter 5, Editing in MS Word 2010. This chapter covers about MS Word, use, undo and redo commands, the ribbon, spelling and grammar, editing a document in MS Word, tables in MS Word, using keyboard to select text, cut, copy and paste the text in a document. About MS Word. MS Word is a word processing application software. It is a part of the MS Office package. It helps you create documents with professional looks. It provides pictures for typing and modifying the text. You have already learned about MS Word. Have a look at the MS Word 2010 screen. Let's learn more about it. Title bar, quick access toolbar, minimize button, maximize button, close button, file, home, insert, design, layout, reference, mailing, review, view, help. These are tabs, ribbon, cursor, document area, scroll bar, status bar, zoom button, read mode, print layout, web layout. The ribbon. Look at the upper portion of MS Word Windows desktop. There is a ribbon just below the title bar. The ribbon contains two parts, tabs and groups. Each tab contains commands arranged in different groups. Home tab is generally used for editing and formatting text. Let us discuss about three groups of this type, such as clipboard, font, paragraph. Types, groups, clipboard group, font group, paragraph group, styles group, editing group. Editing a document in MS Word. Making changes in a document is called editing. To perform editing, you should select the text first. Selecting text. You can select a part of text or the whole text according to your need. You can use both mouse and keyboard to select text. Using mouse to select text. In order to select a single word, double click on the word. In order to select a sentence or paragraph, place the mouse pointer before the first letter and drag the mouse by holding down the left mouse button over the required text. Using keyboard to select text. Place the cursor before the first letter of the sentence or word. Hold down the shift key and press the right arrow key until the desired portion of text is selected. Ctrl+A is the shortcut key used to select all the text in a document. Editing a document in MS Word. Press enter key. Selecting text I love Indian festivals. You want to select the text. Left mouse button hold and drag. Using keyboard, give the cursor position, press shift key and press right arrow key. Ctrl plus A, select all. Cut, copy and paste the text in a document. Most often you are required to write a word or sentence many times. In MS Word, you can use the same sentence any number of times very easily without typing it again and again. You can even cut the words or sentences from one place and paste the same to another location. We use the clipboard group in the home tab for copying or moving text from one location to another. Copy and paste text. In order to copy text, word or sentence in a document, copy and paste commands are used. Step 1. Select the text you want to copy. Step 2. Click the Home tab. Step 3. Click Copy from the clipboard group in the ribbon. Step 4. Move the cursor to the place where you want to paste your text. Step 5. Click Paste from the clipboard group. Ctrl plus C is the shortcut key used to copy text. Ctrl plus V is the shortcut key used to paste text. Cut, copy and paste the text in a document. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Home tab. Step 3. Clipboard group. Click Copy. Step 4. Select the cursor position. Step 5. Click the Paste clipboard group. Cut and paste text. Cut the text means to shift the text from one place to another. Shifting is done by using cut and paste commands. Let us follow the steps in order to move text. Step 1. Select the text you want to move. Step 2. Click the Home tab. Step 3. Click Cut from clipboard group. Step 4. Move the cursor to the place where you want to paste your text. from the clipboard group. Cut and paste text. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Home type. Step 3. Click clipboard group. Click cut. Step 4. Give the cursor position. Step 5. Clipboard group. Click paste. Use undo and redo commands. In MS Word, undo is used to cancel a command given earlier. In order to undo, click the undo button on the quick access toolbar. Redo command is used to reverse the action of undo. In order to redo, click the redo button on the quick access toolbar. Deleting very much in the original text. After the delete action, deleted text appears again after undo. Deleted text disappear again after redo. Deleting the text very much. Step 1. First you select very much. Press delete key. Step 2. After the deleted action. Step 3. Deleted text appears again after undo. Quick access toolbar. Click undo. Step 4. Deleted text disappear again after redo. Quick access toolbar. Click redo. Spelling and grammar. MS Word helps you to find and correct the spelling and grammatical mistakes. It displays red underlines to indicate possible spelling errors and green underlines to indicate possible grammatical errors. To correct the spelling or grammatical errors, right click on the word with a red or green underline and then select the alternative word or the spelling you want. Red underline, right click the word and select the spelling you want. F7 is the function key used to check spelling and grammar. You can also check spellings and grammar all at once. For this, you have to make sure that the automatic spelling and grammar check is turned on. Let us follow the steps for turning on the automatic spelling and grammar check. Step 1. Click on the review button. Step 2. Click on spelling and grammar from the proofing group. Step 3. The spelling and grammar dialog box appears with the wrong spelling highlighted in red and a list of suggestions to read by the mistakes. Ctrl+Y is the shortcut key used to redo command. Ctrl+Z is the shortcut key used to undo command. Spelling and grammar. The human body is very completed system consisting of millions of cells organized, unitary and functioning dynamically together. Completed text, red underline. First you select, right click, add to autocorrect, completed, yes. Next, second word, functioning, select text, right mouse button click, add to autocorrect, functioning. Review type, spelling and grammar, okay. Always keep silence inside the room to concentrate on your work. Tables in MS Word. The table is made up of rows and columns. The intersection of rows and columns creates boxes called cells. Tables are often used to organize and represent information. Serial number, name, roll number, class, total marks, result. Column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are rows. Tables in MS Word. Step 1, insert type. Step 2, tables. Step 3, insert table. Number of columns 6. Number of rows 7. Okay. Serial number, name, roll number, class, total marks, result, serial number 1, Ruchi, roll number 6, class 4, total marks 135, result fail. Serial number 2, name Nupur, roll number 3, class 4, total mark 165, fail. Serial number 3, name Preeti, roll number 2, class 4, total marks 185, fail. Serial number 4, name Sikha. Roll number 1, class 4, total marks 235, result pass. Serial number 5, name Kirti. Roll number 5, class 4, total marks 215, result pass. Serial number 6, name Dinesh. Roll number 4, class 4, total marks 210, result pass. Edit the text, select table, home type, alignment center. Layout type, alignment center. Serial number, name, roll number, class, total marks, results. These are columns. Serial number 1, serial number 2, serial number 3, serial number 4, serial number 5, serial number 6. These are rows. Single, these are cell. Inserting table in MS Word. Let us follow the steps in order to insert a table in MS Word. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click on the table from the Tables group. Step 3. Select the number of columns and rows by dragging the mouse over the small boxes. This inserts a table with the specified number of columns and rows. The cursor is placed in the first cell. You can type text in the cells. To move from one cell to another, use the Tab key or the arrow keys. A table may have one or more cells. Cells refer to the boxes formed by the intersection of rows and columns. Inserting table in MS Word. Step 1. Insert type. Step 2. Table. Step 3. Select the number of columns and rows by dragging the mouse over the small boxes. Ten columns, rows 1, rows 2, rows 3, rows 4, rows 5, rows 6, rows 7, rows 8. Summary: MS Word is a word processing software. Making changes in a document is called editing. The ribbon contains two parts, type and groups. Cut the text means to shift the text from one place to another. Place the cursor before the first letter of the sentence or word. In MS Word, undo means to cancel a command given earlier. Redo means to reverse the undo. Home type is generally used for editing and formatting text. A table is made up of rows and columns. The intersection of rows and columns are called cells. Exercise A. Tick the correct option. 1. Which one of the following is a word processing software? MS Word is a correct. 2. The ribbon contains two parts which are dash. Answer: type and groups. 3. In order to edit text, you must first dash. Answer: select. 4. Which one is the shortcut key used to cut the selected text? Answer: Ctrl plus A. Ctrl plus X. 5. Undo and redo command does exist in? Answer: quick access toolbar. B. Tick for the true statements or cross for the false statements. 1. Ctrl plus Z is a shortcut key used to paste text. Cross. 2. Redo means to reversing undo command. Tick true. 3. To move from one cell to another, we use the enter key. Tick correct. 4. A table is made up of letters and text. Cross false. The autocorrect option is used for automatically correct the spelling errors in MS Word. Cross false. C. Fill in the blanks with suitable words given in the box below. 1. Dash command is used to make a duplicate copy of text. Answer: copy. 2. Shift plus arrow keys are used to dash the text. Answer: select. 3. Dash is shortcut key to select all text in a document. Ctrl plus A. 4. To select a single word, dash on the word. Double click. 5. Dash is used to cancel a command given earlier. Answer: undo.